Hello friends, good morning. In the last class we would learn that the magnetic dipole moment due to the electron revolving around the atom. Okay. So in that class we also find a formula for the Bohr magneton, and now we will discuss about the some important terms related to the magnetism or अर्थ मैग्नेटिज्म. ठीक है, तो उसमें पहला लिखेंगे मैग्नेटिक परमिएबिलिटी. फर्स्ट वन इज मैग्नेटिक परमिएबिलिटी. Okay, so what is magnetic permeability? Any material has the capability to magnetize when it is placed in the magnetic field. ठीक है, so that much magnetic field it will get, ठीक है, by magnetizing force. ठीक है, तो उसमें दो टाइप की सिचुएशंस होगी. वन, the magnetic field is developed in the material due to its characteristic, and when it is taken out from the मटेरियल, तो जो उसका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होता है वो कम हो जाता है म्यू नॉट टाइम. तो यहाँ पे दो टाइप के मैग्नेटिक कंडीशंस आ रहे हैं. वन इज बी एंड सेकंड इज बी नॉट, वेयर बी इज मटेरियल मैग्नेटिज्म एंड बी नॉट इज नंबर ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन इन द फ्री स्पेस. तो इसको हम कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? मैग्नेटिक परमेबिलिटी इज डिफाइंड एज, और इसे रिलेटिव मैग्नेटिक परमेबिलिटी. ठीक है, परमेबिलिटी relative magnetic permeability. Permeability is defined in the ratio of magnetic field line in the material, magnetic field line in the material, material to magnetic field line in the free space. Magnetic field lines in the free space. ठीक है, that is it is denoted by a symbol mu. Therefore the magnetic permeability is equal to magnetic field lines in the material to magnetic field line in the material in any medium to magnetic field line in the material in free space. ठीक है, this is the magnetic permeability. Now we know that the magnetic field intensity is given by mu naught upon 4 pi, mu naught upon 4 pi I upon A for a straight wire. ठीक है, तो this is when the material wire in the free space. अगर हम इसे मीडियम में रख लेंगे तो मीडियम के लिए m हो जाएगा mu naught m upon 4 pi I A if the same conditions are given to the material. By putting these values in the formula, what you get from here that रिलेटिव परमेबिलिटी के लिए हम यूज करेंगे सिंबल म्यू आर. ठीक है, तो बाय पुटिंग दिस वैल्यू वी गेट, अगर हम इस तरह से इसको निकाल लें तो पाई से पाई एल से आई ए से आई ए, देन वी गेट द रिजल्ट इज रिलेटिव परमेबिलिटी इज इक्वल टू म्यू एम अपॉन म्यू नॉट. इट इज क्लियर. Therefore, when the material is placed in the free space in the medium, then the permeability of medium is equal to mu naught times of relative permeability. This is the relation of permeability of material in free space in the medium. So on the basis of this relation we can also define relative permeability of the medium is as in the ratio of relative permeability of medium to the relative permeability of free space. ठीक है? This is one thing which you learn. Next is magnetic induction or magnetic field induction in the material. ठीक है? Note down this. Okay. For understood about the magnetic field or intensity of magnetic field induction, we understood first about the Lorentz force. ठीक है? So magnetic field strength. Second definition is magnetic field strength. Magnetic field strength. And we call also magnetic field intensity. Magnetic field intensity. Okay, it is denoted by B. Okay, now to understood about this magnetic field intensity or strength of magnetic field, we have Lorentz force F is equal to Q V D sin theta, where sin theta is angle between velocity vector and the magnetic field vector, and we learned that the magnetic force experienced by a particle is maximum when velocity vector and magnetic field vector are perpendicular to each other. For this situation, we have theta is equal to 90 degree, and we know that sin 90 degree is equal to 1. It is clear. Therefore, we get this value of force experienced by a particle of mass m having charge q moving in a magnetic field B with a velocity v is q v b. Now we want to define the magnetic field. Therefore, this magnetic field becomes F upon q v. Clear? Now what is magnetic field? In the terms of whenever a charge is moving in the magnetic field with a velocity v, experience of this force. ठीक है? So definition of magnetic field, or we say देखिए magnetic field strength of magnetic field strength is defined as the force experienced by a unit charge, moving with unit velocity in a magnetic field of strength B. Okay, from here B, the unit of this B is F is Newton, and this is Q into V. Q is charge, and charge has unit coulomb, and V is velocity, which is meter per second. Okay, when you solve this, you will get the result is Newton second coulomb inverse meter inverse. Okay, this is known as Tesla. As SI, or because it is the name of scientist, so it is given by capital T. ठीक है? How much is 1 Tesla or CGS unit of magnetic field? CGS unit of this magnetic field is Gauss. Okay, CGS unit of field B is Gauss. Okay, now what is Gauss? So 1 Gauss is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 Pascal. This is the relation between the CGS and SI unit of the magnetic field. Okay. Next is the magnetizing force. Okay, magnetizing force or magnetizing intensity. Magnetizing force, third term is magnetizing force, or we say magnetizing intensity. Magnetizing intensity. Okay, it is denoted by capital S. Now what is it? When a particle or when a material is kept in a solenoid, okay, then the magnetizing force magnetize that material, and for the solenoid the magnetic field is given by n mu naught n I according to the Ampere circular law. Here this product Ni is called H, and what is H? H is magnetization or magnetizing intensity. Therefore, the field developed in the material in the free space is given by V is equal to mu naught H. Clear? So, magnetizing intensity is the product of number of turn of insulated wire wound over the coil and having current I. So, just define it here. The magnetizing force may be defined as magnetizing force may be defined as the number of ampere turns turns of current per unit length of toroidal solenoid. Current per unit length of toroidal solenoid. Okay, this is magnetizing force. ठीक है, clear? And it is denoted by B naught is equal to mu naught L. So from here you can also define the magnetizing force. ये आपके पास जो H आ जाएगा, you get that magnetic field, ये ratio of the magnetic field lines in the material per unit permeability of free space. ठीक है, this is your magnetizing force. Next, is magnetizing intensity or intensity of magnetization. Okay. Next heading is intensity of magnetization. Intensity of magnetization. इसको हम कैपिटल आई से डिफाइन करते हैं, ठीक है। इट इज डिफाइंड इन द रेशियो, it is defined as the ratio of magnetic field induction in the material, magnetic और 1 minute. It is defined in the ratio magnetic dipole moment, ठीक है। magnetic dipole moment to the volume of the material, the volume of material, ठीक है। It is denoted by I. Therefore, magnetic intensity of magnetization is m upon v, where m is magnetic dipole moment and v is volume of the material. So, अगर हमारे पास m magnetic dipole moment, it is small m into 2l, where small m is dipole moment and 2l is the separation distance, ठीक है। एंड वॉल्यूम के लिए हम यूज कर लेते हैं कैपिटल A फॉर द एरिया एंड 2l इज स्मॉल l, ठीक है। तो फ्रॉम हियर यू विल गेट दिस इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल इज स्मॉल m अपॉन A, क्लियर। सो from here you can also define the intensity of magnetization is in the ratio of magnetic moment or dipole moment to the area of cross section of the material, ठीक है। now unit of dipole moment is ampere meter and here denominator is a square, तो ये आपके पास आ जाएगी एम्पियर मीटर अपॉन मीटर स्क्वायर, तो इसकी भी यूनिट बनेगी तो बन जाएगी एम्पियर मीटर यूनिट, क्लियर। यस, ठीक है। एंड दिस इज आल्सो नोन एज हेनरी, ओके। 1 मिनट, ठीक है। एम्पियर मीटर, clear. The next point is, which is very most important, magnetic susceptibility. नोट डाउन कर लिया है इसको। नेक्स्ट इज मैग्नेटिक ससेप्टिबिलिटी। Magnetic susceptibility of material is defined in the ratio of intensity of magnetization to the magnetizing force, ठीक है। देखिए magnetic susceptibility is defined as in the ratio of intensity of magnetization to intensity of magnetization to magnetizing force. Okay, it is denoted by Zhang. Okay, so we will, for magnetism we will use Zhang M. M is for magnetic. इसी तरह से जब आपने पोलराइजेशन पढ़ा था इन द फर्स्ट यूनिट, वी विल यूज देयर द इलेक्ट्रिकल ससेप्टिबिलिटी, उसको भी हम इसी से डिफाइन करते हैं और वहाँ पे हम E को यूज करते हैं. इट इज यूजुअली X, बट द एंडिंग ऑफ X इज जस्ट, ठीक है, टोलर देन X. ये थोड़ा सा खींच दिया जाता है तो ये ससेप्टिबिलिटी बन जाएगी. ठीक है. नाउ according to this, that is magnetic susceptibility is as intensity of magnetization to magnetizing force. This is magnetic susceptibility, and from here you calculate this. I is equal to intensity of magnetization can also be defined in the as product of magnetic susceptibility to the magnetizing force. Clear? Note down this. Because यहाँ पे आपने इसको पढ़ा था, इंटेंसिटी ऑफ मैग्नेटाइजेशन इज टोटल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड और मैग्नेटिक डायपोल मोमेंट पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. सो ससेप्टिबिलिटी इज आल्सो इन द टर्म ऑफ द पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मटेरियल. क्लियर? सो जो मैग्नेटाइजिंग फोर्स है और मैग्नेटाइजेशन इंटेंसिटी है, बोथ हैव सेम यूनिट. सो मैग्नेटिक ससेप्टिबिलिटी इज नो यूनिट. ठीक है, इसकी कोई यूनिट नहीं होती. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द रिलेशन बिटवीन द मैग्नेटाइजेशन इंटेंसिटी, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एंड मैग्नेटिक ससेप्टिबिलिटी. उसको कर लेते हैं. रिलेशन बिटवीन मैग्नेटिक परमिएबिलिटी एंड मैग्नेटिक ससेप्टिबिलिटी. रिलेशन बिटवीन मैग्नेटिक permeability and magnetic susceptibility. Okay, let's see. Whenever a magnetic material is magnetized, ठीक है, तो उसके पास दो टाइप के मैग्नेटिज्म वो दिखाता है. वन, व्हेन इट इज मैग्नेटाइज, तो जो उसमें मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंड्यूस होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंडक्शन, विच इज गिवन बाय द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑफ मटेरियल. क्लियर? बट जब उसको हम निकाल के फ्री स्पेस में लाते हैं या एनवायरनमेंट में लाते हैं, तो उसके साथ एक वैल्यू कनेक्ट हो जाती है, दैट इज नॉट, म्यू नॉट. तो जो उसका जो फील्ड बनता है वो हो जाता है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इन द मटेरियल ड्यू टू इन द फ्री स्पेस. तो दो सिचुएशन हमारे पास होती है, थोड़ा सा इसको लिख लेंगे। When a magnetic material is placed in the magnetizing field, when a magnetic material is placed in the magnetizing field, of magnetizing intensity H, of magnetizing intensity H, the material gets magnetized. The material gets magnetized. Full stop. The total magnetic field of material is equal to the total magnetic field of material is equal to the sum of magnetic field in material in free space, magnetic field in material in free space, and magnetic field induction in the material. This clear? Here B naught is mu naught H, which we discussed just and second, magnetic field induction in the material. That value we calculate by using the Ampere's circuital rule, which we get mu naught I. It is clear? Where I is magnetizing intensity. Now, by putting both values in B, we get mu naught H plus mu naught I. Now from here we calculate or take common mu naught and we get H plus I. Clear? Now, just previous heading we learned that the magnetic susceptibility is defined as I upon H, intensity of magnetization to the magnetizing intensity. तो ये जब हम यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे then we get the relation is magnetic susceptibility into H. By putting this value here, ठीक है, तो जो हमारे पास मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगा म्यू नॉट, दिस वैल्यू वी गेट H प्लस sin H. Now H is taken common, we get from here is mu naught H 1 plus susceptibility. Clear? Now V naught H we know that magnetic field in the material is given by B is equal to mu r into H. जब हम इसको फ्री स्पेस से निकाल के लेकर आएंगे मटेरियल में, मीडियम में, तो उसके पास एक रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी आ जाएगी. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी गेट mu r H is equal to mu naught H 1 plus susceptibility. Clear? Now from here H से H cancel हो जाएगा and you get the relation between the permeability of magnetic field to the susceptibility of magnetic field. This is the required relation. Okay. Now today we will learn till this topic, and from the next class we will discuss some numericals related to this topic.